Welcome to this course. I'm very happy to have you on board, and in this first video I would like to tell you what's about to happen, because I really believe that before taking any course it's really important to know what to expect, because this in itself will accelerate your progress. So first of all, I'm going to share with you only strategies that I've used personally in my own life. And the reason I'm saying this is because, I could very easily read a cool book or maybe watch a speech and then hear an interesting strategy or a tool and share it with you. But I just want to make sure that I give you stuff that actually works. And this is why I want to test things on myself first before giving those strategies to you. Now, at the beginning, I'm going to start with very general strategies that will build that foundation for everything to come. Basic stuff that will help you in many different realms of your life in terms of productivity and accelerated learning. So for example, things like the 80-20 principle. And then with the course, I'm going to move more to specific strategies. For example, different tricks and techniques for language learning. Alright, so what's the best way to watch this course to make the most of it? Well, the way I see it, because this particular course is very compact, very concise, I really believe that you should watch it in one go. Alright, so don't procrastinate. Don't say to yourself, you know what, I'm gonna watch it tomorrow, or I'm gonna watch it next week. No, watch it straight away. It won't take too much time. As you can see, it's a very short course. It's gonna take you only 40-45 minutes. So go ahead and watch it straight away. And the reason I'm telling you that is because I had situations in my life when I would spend a lot of money on a great course, and then I would say to myself, I don't have time now. Let me watch it next week. And guess what? Next week, someday, tomorrow, never come, okay? As humans, we tend to procrastinate, and that's why I believe that you should just take action right away and watch everything. Now, while you're watching the course, when you see certain strategies that you really like, if there are certain videos that seem very compelling to you, simply jot them down, okay? Make sure that you mark them, so later on, after you get that big picture after watching the entire course, you can revisit those lectures, you can watch them again, you can really think about those concepts, take notes, and most importantly, you can implement those strategies. And this is probably the most important thing, because many people get it wrong. Many people feel like, just the simple act of watching something will change their lives. But this is not the case. You have to implement those strategies. It's all about getting things done, all right? So when you learn about certain technique, make a commitment to yourself that you will implement it the same day. And by the way, I almost forgot to tell you about something really interesting. So when you're watching those videos and you feel like it's almost too simple for you, you can hear me very clearly, you have no problems with digesting the content, you can speed up those videos. There is an option underneath the video where you can click on 1.5x, maybe even 2x, and you can essentially watch those videos faster. Now, this is not for everyone, obviously. We have people from 187 countries here, so not everyone is a native speaker. But if you find it quite simple, quite easy, if you can hear me clearly, then experiment, play around, and perhaps you can speed up those videos and watch them faster. Now, on the final note, if there are certain strategies that you know personally and I haven't discussed them in this course, post a discussion. Let me know. Let everyone know, all right? If there are any questions you have, any ideas, maybe some concerns, whatever it is, okay? Just post a discussion, let everyone know. I want this community to be very interactive. I don't want people to feel like it has to be a one-way communication. So if there is anything you would like to share, just go ahead and share it with everyone.